Introduction to AI Privacy Assistants.
The AI privacy assistants are innovative tools designed to help you monitor and manage your personal data across apps and devices. These assistants use artificial intelligence to understand your privacy preferences and automate tasks like data deletion, permission management, and security recommendations, making it easier to protect your digital footprint without constant manual effort.
Choosing a reliable privacy assistant.
When selecting a privacy assistant, look for transparency in data handling, regular updates, and clear privacy policies. Choose reputable tools that allow you to control what they access and read user reviews to gauge effectiveness. Opt for assistants that integrate smoothly with your most used apps and operating systems to maximize coverage and minimize potential gaps in your privacy protection.
Setting up privacy preferences.
Start by configuring your privacy preferences within the assistant. Set clear rules about what information can be shared, stored, or deleted. Regularly review which apps and devices the assistant is monitoring. Enable notifications for changes in app permissions or privacy practices so you are always informed and can respond quickly if necessary.
Managing data access and permissions.
Use your privacy assistant to review and manage app permissions regularly. The assistant can alert you to unnecessary access requests or risky permissions, allowing you to revoke access with a few clicks. This helps minimize data exposure and keeps you in control of who can view or use your personal data on each device and application.
Staying updated and informed.
AI privacy assistants often provide updates on changes in privacy settings or potential data risks. Take advantage of these alerts. Schedule routine privacy checkups and use the assistant's recommendations as a guide to optimize your digital footprint. Staying proactive helps ensure your information remains secure as your devices and apps evolve.
Final tips for digital privacy.
Remember, AI privacy assistants are valuable tools, but your vigilance is essential. Combine the assistant's automated features with your own awareness of online behavior and privacy best practices. Regular reviews, timely updates, and thoughtful sharing all contribute to better control over your personal data and a safer digital experience.